Hello, good morning students. Today we will study nomenclature of alcohols. We know monohydric alcohols contain one OH group. These are called as a monohydric alcohols. So for monohydric alcohols, there are three types of systems to give the nomenclature of this monohydric alcohols. These three systems are: first is common name system, or that is also called as the trivial names. Then second system is carbinol system, and third system is IUPAC nomenclature system. So we will study all these nomenclature system in detail for alcohols. Now first is common name system, or this is called as a trivial names. So according to this system, we know alcohols have general formula ROH, where R is alkyl group and the name of OH group according to this system is given as alcohol, and common names of alkyl groups are given before this name alcohol. So for higher alkyl groups, the prefix used are normal, iso, secondary, and tertiary. So this type of prefix can be used for alkyl groups. We will study examples of these alcohols, how their common names or the trivial names are given. All these names are given in this table, that is common name as well as IUPAC name. First we will study common names. So first example is, this is CH3OH. So here name of CH3 is a methyl, therefore it is given as a methyl. Name of OH group is given as alcohol, and the name of this CH3OH is methyl alcohol. Then second example is CH3CH2OH. So here CH3CH2 group is named as ethyl, and name of OH is alcohol, and therefore name of this common name of this alcohol is ethyl alcohol. Next example is CH3CH2CH2OH. Here the name of alkyl group is propyl, or that is N-propyl. With prefix it is N-propyl, and name of OH group is alcohol, and therefore correct common name for this alcohol is N-propyl alcohol. Next example is CH3. Here CH3CH2CHOH. So here CH group is bonded to CH3 group below, and name of common name of this alkyl group here, it is called as a secondary butyl, and therefore name of alcohol is given as secondary butyl alcohol, because here OH group is bonded to secondary carbon containing 4 carbon atoms, hence the name is secondary butyl alcohol. Next example is again 4 carbon containing, but here the long carbon chain is of 3 carbon atoms, and the second carbon is bonded with CH3 group as a side chain, and OH group is bonded to primary carbon, hence it is a isobutyl group, and name of this alcohol is given as isobutyl alcohol. Next example is again 4 carbon containing alcohol. Here this central carbon is bonded to 3 methyl groups. Therefore, middle carbon, central carbon is tertiary carbon bonded with OH, and therefore it is a type of tertiary alcohol containing total 4 carbon atoms. Hence, the name given as tertiary butyl alcohol. Then next example is given, that is of 2 OH group containing and 3 OH group containing. So these are the examples of polyhedric alcohols. So it is a dihedric and it is trihedric alcohol. So while giving common names of this dihedric or trihedric alcohol, this CH2 group is named as ethylene and it is a glycol. So correct common name is ethylene glycol. The next example is CH2. Here OH groups are bonded to each carbon, that is 3 OH groups are there, and the name of alcohol is propylene alcohol. So here it is a propylene glycol. The next example is of 4 carbon containing alcohol. It is a 4 carbon containing alcohol and double bond is present in this 4 carbon containing alcohol. So it is CH3CH double bond CH2OH. So it is commonly called as a crotonyl alcohol. Crotonyl alcohol. In this way, these common names of alcohols are given. These names are also called as a trivial names. Then second type of system to give the names of alcohols are, that is the carbinol system. Carbinol system. So according to this carbinol system, second types of nomenclature of alcohols is a carbinol system. According to this system, this methyl alcohol, first member of homologous series of alcohol, is a methyl alcohol and it is named as a carbinol. And if alkyl groups are bonded to this methyl group, that is a carbon atom of the methyl group, then the names of these alkyl groups are given separately, followed by this name carbinol. In this way, names are given according to this carbinol system. We will consider here what is carbinol carbon. So this OH group bonded to carbon. So up to this carbon, it is called as a carbinol carbon. And CH3 group bonded to this carbinol carbon, and name of CH3 group we know it is a methyl, and therefore the name of this alcohol is methyl carbinol. We will consider more examples of this type, that is the same examples now we had studied in the common names. We will give this carbinol system names for these alcohols. So first example, it is CH3OH. So it is a 1 carbon containing, therefore it is called as a carbinol. Then second is CH3CH2OH. Here first carbon containing alcohol is carbinol and methyl group is bonded here, and therefore it is called as a methyl carbinol. Then next example is here the CH2OH, this part is called as a carbinol, and here the alkyl group is CH2CH3, it is called as a ethyl group. So it is ethyl carbinol. Like this, according to carbinol system, these nomenclatures are given for alcohol. That is a second type of system of nomenclature of alcohols. Now third type of system of nomenclature of alcohols is IUPAC nomenclature in alcohols. Third type of system is IUPAC system. So according to IUPAC system, these names of alcohols, they are given from corresponding alkane. In these names, the suffix e, it is replaced by suffix ol in this name of alkane. So it may be alkane, or maybe alkene, or maybe alkyne. The suffix e is replaced by suffix ol, and if there are more than one OH groups are present, then before this OL, it is given as di, tri, tetra, etc. If it is dihydric alcohol or trihydric alcohol, then the name of alkane is given, then positions of OH group are given, then how many OH groups are present, that is a di means 2, and suffix ol is given. In this polyhydric alcohol, suffix e is not replaced by ol, but in this name the suffix given as a ol, but e is not replaced in this nomenclature. Similarly, the cyclic alcohols are named by using prefix cyclo to the parent name of alkane. So here two examples are given. We will consider these examples. So first example is here. Again remember this, that this OH group containing carbon, this carbon is numbered as a carbon 1. So it is a 4 carbon containing alkane. So its name is a butane. Here E is replaced by OL, so it becomes butanol, and it is a cyclic compound, not open chain. Therefore, correct name is cyclobutanol, or this OH group is present on carbon number 1. Therefore, it is cyclobutan 1-OL. The second example is, this is a 5-membered acyclic compound, and 5-membered alkane is called as a pentane. So from pentane, this name is given by replacing suffix e by ol. So here suffix ol is replaced. Then it is a cyclic compound, therefore prefix given as a cyclo, and the carbon number 1 contains OH, and second carbon contains C2H5, that is ethyl group. Hence the name given as 2-cyclopentanol. 2-cyclopentanol. So that is the nomenclature of this cyclic alcohol. Now, according to IUPAC system, we will consider these examples, how their common name IUPAC names are given. So, consider first example, that is methyl alcohol. We had already given common name or the trivial name for this alcohol. Consider this example, this is CH3OH. So it is a 1 carbon containing alcohol. So 1 carbon containing carbon is methane. So from the methane suffix e is replaced by ol, and the name obtained is methanol, and that is the correct IUPAC name for this compound. Now the second example is CH3CH2OH. Here this OH group is bonded to CH2 and CH3. It is a 2 carbon containing alkane. So 2 carbon containing alkane, we know ethane. Here the suffix e is replaced by ol, and the name obtained is ethanol. So that is the correct IUPAC name for this compound, ethanol. Then third example is CH3, CH2, CH2OH. It is 3 carbon containing alcohol. So 3 carbon containing alkane, the name is propane, from which E is replaced by OL, and the OH group is present on carbon number 1. So correct name is propan 1-OL. That is IUPAC name of this alcohol. Then next example is, this is CH3, CH2, CHOH, and there is one more side chain of methyl group. So it is a long chain of 4 carbon atoms, and numbering can be given from this below carbon as a 1, 2, lower carbon 1, 2, 3 and 4. So 4 carbon containing alkane is again butane. Here E is replaced by OL, and OH group is present on second carbon. Therefore correct IUPAC name of this alcohol is butan 2-OL. Next example is CH3, CH, CH2OH. Here the second carbon contains CH3 group. So long carbon chain is of 3 carbon, and OH group carbon containing is a carbon number 1. So 3 carbon containing long chain alkane is propane. So name given from propane as a propanol, and second carbon contains methyl, and therefore correct name is 2-methyl propanol. Next example is, this is a central carbon bonded with CH3 and CH3 and CH3 groups. So longest carbon chain is of 3 carbon atoms. Middle carbon, that is a second carbon, is bonded with OH and CH3 group. So name given from alkane, propane. So from propane, its name is a propanol. Second carbon contains OH group, therefore propan 2-OL. And one methyl group is present at second carbon as a side chain, therefore it is 2-methyl propan 2-OL. It is a correct IUPAC name of this alcohol. Then this dihydric alcohol, we had studied in the rules already that this, while naming this dihydric or trihydric alcohol, depending upon number of carbon atoms, the name of alkane is given and their suffix is not replaced. Then positions of OH group on carbon 1 and carbon 2. There are 2 OH groups, therefore di, and for OH group suffix is given as a OL. Hence the correct name is ethane 1,2-diol. Similarly, this is 3 carbon containing alcohol with 3 OH groups. So 3 carbon containing alkane is named as a propane. Propane, here again this suffix is not replaced, and the positions of OH groups are given as on carbon number 1, 2 and 3. There are 3 OH groups, therefore tri, and suffix used is triol. Hence the correct name is propane 1,2,3-triol. And the last example given in this chart is, this is CH3, CH, double bond, CH, CH2. It is a 4 carbon containing double bond, that is the name of alkene is given here. So 4 carbon containing alkene is butene. Here double bond position is at carbon number 2 because this OH group containing carbon is carbon number 1, and next carbon is bonded to double bond, that is the position of double bond 2. So but2-ene, and first carbon contains OH group, therefore 1-OL, and the correct name is but2-ene 1